Bradans, I don't like this ascending broadening wedge. We broke out of our descending broadening wedge, which is bullish, and our price target is still $45,000. However, this ascending broadening wedge, it's a bearish pattern, and technically, if we should break here the support line at 42,300, for example, you measure from the top, from the first top touch point to the second, to the first down touch point, we should see, in case we are breaking down, we could see Bitcoin breaking down to $40,000, and this is what I don't like. So we have to carefully watch. What makes me again bullish is if we are watching the funding rates. The funding rates are getting on some exchanges negative or getting near to zero, on some even minus 0.2. So this is very bullish. It speaks for a bounce to the upside. And if we are watching the long short ratio, we see overall the current BTC sentiment is overall bearish, extremely bearish, over 55% bearish, and the long short ratio is 58% more shorts. And we know that the market makers tend to liquidate the biggest positions in the market, which are right now short positions. So I hope this is what we have to watch, that we're not breaking down this support line to the downside. If we are breaking down, this would be not so good. We see also, as Bitcoin a little bit dumping, we see altcoins overall red market, but it's okay, it's not so bad. What is essential for us is not only to reach our price target of 45k, but in case we're breaking this huge resistance line at 44,200, which you see here, then the way is free to our price target of $60,000, which would be 45% pump from here on. And another pattern which a lot of people talking about on the daily Bitcoin chart is this head and shoulders, which you see here right now. And technically, you measure from the baseline to the top of this inverse head and shoulders, technical price target should be here at $47,000. So in case we are breaking here at 43,300 with the clear daily candle closing above, then we should see here a move to the price target of approximately, as I told you, $47,000, which would be 10%. So overall it looks bullish. Only the descending broadening wedge makes me a little bit headache. Also here we are expecting further pump on the total crypto market cap to $1.6 trillion to retest this resistance line. We have to break this resistance line to the upside in order to see Bitcoin running to 60k, because this obviously was a huge support line. We have to break it again to the upside. And what we see on the S&P 500, as I told you already, we have here, we created a new all-time high of S&P 500, which is extremely bullish. But please watch out. I don't want to see this what happened between 2000 and between 2007. I mean, still it was 7 years in between, but we had here a double top, and then we saw a huge drop to the downside. So this is what I don't want to see. I don't want to see that we are creating here a double top. I hope this double top will work out later. That we see pump to 2025 and end of 2025. This when we're expecting a huge dump to the downside, because then the bull market ending. These are the cycles. Every 4 years we have a bull and bear market, 4 or 5 years. So this will be the double top. I hope not that we will see double top working out in the next months. So this is what we have carefully to watch. But right now it looks very bullish. Everything. I'm still in my long positions here, as you see it. Wait a minute, I show you. As you see it here, my FXS position is $6,000 in $16,000 in profits. My Bitcoin position $5,200 in profits, and my Miro position is $600 in a loss. However, expecting Miro hugely to pump in the next days, because in Solana system is something happening with the Jupiter coin, JUP. You have to check it out yourself. My Eagle position is also still long, $15,000 in profit. My FXS position is here $500 in profits. On eGold, we are expecting tomorrow a huge announcement. There should be huge news happening. We are also above our daily 20 and 50 moving average, above our monthly 20 moving average, which was a huge resistance line. So we could retest $54, but in my opinion, this is an amazing long opportunity to at least price target of $69. If we set our stop loss at $45, so below our wick down below here, it would be 1.2 long ratio. If we if we set our price tag at $83, we have even 2.5 risk reward ratio, and the third price tag is $100 or $102, then we have even 4.3 risk reward ratio. In my opinion, nice long opportunity on eGold right now. You can also jump into an eGold long on Bybit, link is down below. You get up to $30,000 bonus. And FXS we are expecting also to pump, because they will launch next week, this or next week, latest next week, their mainnet, and with the mainnet there's coming an airdrop. An airdrop means people will lock up their FXS, and we're expecting here huge buying pressure, which would lead FXS to $14. It would be 40% pump, which is also, in my opinion, nice long opportunity if we are setting our stop loss here at around this wicks at $7 or slightly below $7, and set our take profit at $14. We have 1.3 risk reward. If we set our stop loss at 17, our take profit $17, we have even a 2.0 risk reward. In my opinion, amazing, and could pump as high as $20, which would be 3 risk reward, but I'm aiming right now first for $14. But this I'm still in this coins. I expect huge buying pressure. Also, we see a buying pressure is coming from the Bitcoin ETFs, because GBTC sold yesterday 221 million, but the ETFs combined with BlackRock ETF and so on have $546 million worth of Bitcoin bought. So we have positive net inflow of Bitcoin of $247. This is amazing, and we have in 11 hours we're expecting Fed meeting. There's a probability of 97% that they will still remain with the interest rates. So this is also good for us, because we don't want to see now cut rates, because usually when they cut rates we see huge dump and funding rates getting negative. We have more shorts in the market, so we are expecting here a pump to the upside. But we have, in order to be safe out of this danger, we have to pump over 44,200, breaking above clearly. Then we are breaking out of our ascending Brownian wedge, which would be very bullish for us. So overall, I stay in my long positions right now, bratans. If you want to jump to long or short, you get $30,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. And I bought some coin, which I want also to share with you. It's called SMH. This is a team is made of Ethereum developers. I bought it on SafeTrade because it's not available on a lot of exchanges right now. If you want, you can just follow me on Crypto Bratan on Twitter, on X, and I share with you my positions or what I'm buying, which altcoins. Thank you everyone for watching, Bratans. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.